The Engineering Medal for Excellence in Industry recognizes excellence in the practice of engineering, where the innovative application of engineering knowledge and principles has solved a unique problem, led to advanced products, or produced significant results. The recipient of this year's Engineering Medal for Excellence in Industry is Michael Kropp.
I'm Mike Kropp. I'm co-founder, president, and CEO of P.Eng. We're a Kitchener-based software company that specializes in factory automation software for semiconductor manufacturing. I have an undergrad in electrical engineering from the University of Toronto. So when I graduated, I worked for a company called American Robot. That was my first professional experience working on factory automation projects. And after 2 years, I actually went to Automation Tooling Systems, and that's where I met my business partner, Bob. He managed the whole software group where we did incredible things that combined amazing mechanical systems with software for automation, vision systems, robots, whatever it would take to build something from pieces into finished assembles. And in that journey, we created reusable software. We thought this is really interesting, where we can extract information out of that automation process, information about the product, the process itself, and the equipment. And we can use that data to either ensure quality, improve quality, or improve the process of both the product and the automation system. So with that, we got an opportunity for us to start a business where we could create reusable software components that could be used in a manufacturing environment. Little did we know that was the start of what would become Industry 4.0 or smart manufacturing. When Peer Group started, it was the two founders banging out software for chip manufacturing in a space called manufacturing execution systems, where we're taking some of the technology we had developed at ATS and moving that from equipment communications to something that would coordinate an entire factory. Today, we have over 240 people at Peer Group, with over 200 people in technology roles that help us create the most innovative solutions that are used in semiconductor manufacturing. Our leadership and success at Peer Group is driven by technology innovation. So we are relentless with how we invest in our technology, because we're paranoid that someone else is going to overtake our products. We want to make sure that our products are the best in the market, not the cheapest. They are the best in the market. That means high reliability. We have factories running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They run on Christmas Day, they run on New Year's Day, and our software needs to be absolutely reliable. And if it fails, we need to be able to quickly react. In my role as an executive and owner at Peer Group, it's essential to have a strong technology background, especially in the semiconductor industry. Massive amounts of intelligent people. All of our conversations are deeply technical. It's around how do we drive to the next technological innovation, and that's where having that engineering undergrad is really key. So in the case of Peer Group, we've been in business for 30 years. We didn't start out doing what we do today. In fact, we've changed along the way. So I think what's really important is to be ready for opportunities as you see them, and to make those really good decisions with a new factor data set, and be prepared to pivot, persist, or perish. This industry makes 1 trillion devices. What do we make 1 trillion of? So not only do we make something in high scale, it's massively complex. So as we talk about the complexity of a single IC, we're talking about geometries that are 4 nanometers moving to 1.8 nanometers. So again, complexity where you have billions of transistors on a single manufactured device. So not only is it, we're making a lot of them, they're also highly, highly complex. And the investment to make these chips is massive. So a typical chip factory making 300 millimeter wafers will cost about $15 billion. Massive investment from an industry that will spend about 20% of all of its spending, all of its revenue on capital expenses year in, year out, which makes it so exciting, so fascinating for us to be a part of.
For his work in establishing Peer Group as recognized leader in global semiconductor supply chain, Michael Kropp is a worthy recipient of the Engineering Medal for Excellence in Industry.